Welcome to Ruby for Beginners, where you'll learn how to program using the Ruby programming language. Now, my name is Tim Bachalka, and your instructor in this course is Stephen Chesnowitz. Now, I started out as a programmer in the 1980s, and I've been a professional software developer ever since, as well as a teacher. I've actually got close to 200,000 students and 40,000 reviews for my various programming courses. And this year in 2017, I created the Learn Programming Academy with a goal to train 1 million people as software developers in the next 3 years. Now, to help with that, I'm partnering with a group of instructors who've demonstrated a commitment to excellence and who have the right real-world programming experience and skills to help people just like you become professional software developers. Now, Stephen is extremely well qualified and has vast experience in Ruby and in fact Ruby on Rails, and has put together an outstanding course which really will teach you how to get the most out of the Ruby language quickly. Now, by the end of this course, you'll have a concrete understanding of how to program in Ruby and be able to take advantage of the various features in the language to write your own complete Ruby programs. Now, Stephen will start by showing you how to install the free software tools that you'll need to write your own Ruby programs. And from there, Stephen will then take you through the syntax and features of Ruby step by step in a logical order. Now, each section of the course is designed to build upon the concepts taught in previous sections, and the included challenges are designed to help you further understand the concepts taught. So by solving these challenges and checking your solution against ours, you'll come away with a deep understanding of Ruby. Now, the ideal student of this course is someone who's probably never programmed before, but if you do have some experience as a programmer in Ruby or in another language, you'll also feel right at home. And this is also a great course to take if you want to get into Ruby on Rails, and that's because that requires a solid understanding of the Ruby programming language. Now, there's no other requirements needed to enroll in this course other than having access to a computer. Now, if you're looking to get your first or a better programming job, or to freelance as a software developer, then this course will definitely help you. Feel free also to look through the course description on this page for more details, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.